Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, I hope you all well. I hope you like my all videos. So guys, today I am going to discuss about 12 free social media marketing courses to boost your skills now. Social media marketing skills, table of content. Now number first, what is social media? Social media quick bar, social media analyze course, social media 13 days writing challenge, introduction to social media strategies, social media monetizing course, social media, the business of social media, free contact marketing, condition course, virtual marketing and how to create conscious contact. Now number 10, international B2B marketing course. Number 11, advanced social media marketing for pick up silent clients, social media athletes, social media ethics, select course that improve your strategies, keep learning more skills. So guys, now first, what is social media? Is the improve is the an impressive online social media marketing course offered by courses to anyone how contact popular introduction to social media. It is stable of executive business owner on marketing professional as well and give the clear and actionable advice and how to grow and social media strategies. Number 2, social media quick starter and other great courses to beginning how to looking for a way enter social media world without any table troubles complication getting in the way in offer you care and data field guide building as a social media presence on the most important social media platform such as Facebook, Twitter, liked and so and other. Facebook, Twitter, liked and Instagram, Google, YouTube, Snapchat. Social media analytic course. This is a beginner course, well, but more. So, guys, tell you order one. It is for used on social media analytes only, even those of we familiar and marketing much now important how important it is to drive trading and increase revenue with the help of social media. So guys, social media analytics course offer for social media marketing certification on completion. Now 13 days writing channel. Daily writing habit is one of the most valuable hindsight you can have to help you get understand. We have created 13 days email program that will help build your habit. Every day for the Excite 13 day we will send you writing promote promote as this is a social media contact marketing site will send you prompts out these types topics, but additionally we add same free writing and other stuff to say sign up more your for your 13 days writing challenge. Introduction to social media strategies. Just a time name says this course is indeed you quick and start straight forward international social media strategies. It latest only 45 minutes but help you careful impressive social media functions. Social media social media monetizing course. The social media marketing course could be great a guide of those who want to learn how to monitor their audience to only give all guidance and how to do that also provide details examples in monitoring allowing up to learn from them like any other used course. Social media monetizing courses offer you social media marketing certification on completion. Check out number 7 business of social media. It does not matter if you are business owner or marketer, either way why you can benefit from the course. It allows you online for business gold guides with your social media strategies driving real and naturable value from it. Number 8 free contact marketing certification courses. This is courses touch how to build scalable reproducible process and alike provision. The course of free course XLT and contact a graduation not only help you understanding which type of contact other work social media but also give or provide types of how to create contact that sales and how to promote that contact right. The benefit of contact marketing certification. The HubSpot's Academy grow to your co- career, business, and joy and community. Number 9 viral marketing and how to create continuous content. This is social media course also found for course for few used contact creation more simplificationally on how to create contact that can become viral. Chartic is for virgin contact that can use in your work. There are same type there are some type that would make your contact industry better, but what even more important is that is required for it to catch the audience attraction. You can get social media marketing certification from the courses. Number 10, international B2B marketing, international understanding B2B marketing and learning how to use or write this case. Number 11, audience social media marketing pick up to client. And even if you have a same social media and marketing experience, can you still polish and strengthen your skills? For example, with the help of this course. Number 12, social media ethics and other attracting important and the attracting specific course. We don't hear about social media in these each of daily lives. However, important to understand if you do want use social media only effectively but ethically too. This course help you do technique version and always expelling that legal for social media and what is not. Like may like many other admin course, this course offers you social media marketing certification of complex. Thanks for watching my video. Okay, God bless you.